Welcome to CalSNAP, Advanced Search Techniques. In this presentation, you will be learning how to use advanced search techniques using CalSNAP. Let's look at our learning wheel. To use advanced search, you're going to enter keywords, use quotation marks for terms, such as space race. You're going to narrow down your search by using runtime, date, and grade level, and other search terms. When you have finished and you are looking at your results, you're going to review the results and create a playlist to save and share. Playlists can be public or private, and we're going to look at how to create a PDF to share with students or colleagues. The first thing you need to do is to log in to the staff portal. If you are a student, you will log into the student portal. And teachers, you will direct your students to enter by going to the student portal and logging in. When you log into the portal, first you're going to click on the tile that says CalSNAP. This is what you'll see when you log in. There's a place for you to put in your email address, and the password is media for all teachers. For students, they use the letters RTSA and the name of their school site, and the password is student. It's the same for everybody. Once you're inside of CalSNAP, you can put your search terms in the box as you see in the example. But I've also chosen the search menu at the top left side of the screen. Highlighted in red, you can see the advanced search box. When you click on that, a window opens, and you see these additional fields that appear. Here, you can choose the type of documents that you're looking for. You can also choose grade levels. And if you want to see more search options, you can click on more search options, a little plus sign, and you will have an additional choices to make. Here is what the more search options looks like, and you can see here that you have additional fields and additional words that you can add to your search. And at the bottom of the screen, you can put in the copyright year of the video, the latest year that you would like, and also running time. This is important because maybe you're looking for a video that's only a few minutes in length. You don't want to watch a video that's over 5 minutes. You can also search for videos that are closed caption. This is what the search results look like. On the right-hand side of the screen, you still have the ability to narrow your search. And you can see that the resources are listed by type, audience level, language, by vendor, by copyright year, and by subject area, and also by running time. This is a resource that's I'm showing. It's an up-close view of one. And you can see that it has a title, the keywords are listed, the subjects are listed, and the resource where it comes from is also listed. If you want to take a look at the article up close, you click on View Document Page and it'll take you into Docs Teach. If you have searched for a video and you want to see the video and you want to view it, if you click on the video, it'll take you directly into California Streaming and you'll be able to view the video there. If you want to save the resource that you found after you viewed it, you can click on the bottom right corner where it says Save to List, and you begin to save the documents for your class or for your personal use. When you click on Save to a List, it will create a brand new list for you to begin saving. If you already have a list, you can open the list and begin saving to the list that you've already created. Notice that save items have a green check mark. Let's look at creating playlists. Again, in our learning wheel, we can see click to save, to create a brand new playlist. We'll see that in a moment. We can name our playlist, and then we add resources to our playlist. We can click Manage My List to share with colleagues. We can select a playlist to view or to remove. And then we use View List Details to create a catalog to share. This is what it looks like when you click on Save to List. Notice that there is a button that says Create New List. When you click on that, this box will appear. You're going to type in the name of your list and type in a brief description. You can also check the blue box. If you check it, it becomes your default list. If you uncheck it, then it will not be your default list, and whatever is there at the top of your lists will be your default. What I've done here is show you an example of what it looks like after you've named your list and you've written in a brief description. Here, you can choose who you're going to share your resource list with. You can share with all users, and that'll be all CalSNAP users in California. You can share with your district. That means all CalSNAP users in our district. Or you can share with all the CalSNAP users at your school site by choosing My Building. Then click Submit when you're finished. In order to create a PDF catalog to share with students, you need to click on Resource Lists. Then, when you're inside this area, you can see that we have the opportunity to review, remove lists, make lists public, we can make them private, we can share with district, and we can share with building from here. But the one thing that we want to make sure of is we want to look at where it says View List Details. When we click on that, we can see a share link appears. We can copy the share link and email colleagues with that. We can copy items from this list to another list. We can remove resources that we no longer need that's on a list. But we also have a button to create a PDF document. When you click on PDF, I'm showing here now where you would click, and click on PDF Catalog, and this is what the PDF looks like when you're done. And then you notice that you can download this. These blue writing here, these are active links. So if you share this with students through Impero, they will be able to open this document and they will be able to link directly to the resources that you've saved for them. Thank you very much.